True or false? Only women need to worry about fertility issues.
False. Males also have a significant influence. In about 1/3 of the cases, the factor lies with the men.
True or false? Smoking affects fertility in both men and women.
True. Smoking can lower the quality of eggs and sperm and raises the risk of miscarriage.
True or false? You have to try for a year before seeing a doctor about infertility.
True. Most couples under 35 should see a doctor after trying 12 months, if their periods are regular.
True or false? Birth control pills can cause permanent infertility.
False. Most people get their fertility back soon after stopping birth control. It is not permanent. The pill itself doesn't cause infertility, but there could be another underlying issue.
True or false? Presenta, Horacio Oduber Hospital.
Siguientemente.